In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the blend door actuator on this Chevy Equinox. It's located underneath the passenger side dash, so let's get started. Open up the glove box, empty out anything that's inside of it, and then what you're going to want to do is pry in and down at the top here so it can clear the stopper. Once you've done that, you should be able to just pull it straight out and remove it. With the glove box out, you can see that right in there is the actuator that we're after. I'm going to pop out the wiring harness from the blower motor housing just so I can move it around a little bit better and access the actuator. There we go. I'm going to pull it off of here as well. There we go. That gives us much more space to work with. I'm going to unplug the actuator, push back on the locking tab, push on the center tab, pull the connector out. Then it'll have 3/4 inch screws that hold it in. You can also use a Phillips head screwdriver if you want, a stubby one. Okay, there's the third screw. Pull this out, and there it is. If you look at the shaft, the splines right here, you'll see that the new one is in a different position than the old one. That's okay. All we have to do is line up the splines and twist this around. And then once you've lined this up, you can line up the bolt holes. You'll see that one flat area up there. That's what you want to line this up with, like that. And then just turn it, press it all the way in. Start in the 3 screws. And snug them up. When you tighten these, be very careful because they can strip out the plastic insert very easily. So as soon as it bottoms out, at most 1/8 of a turn, you just want to snug it. Well, that's it right there. It's bottomed out, a little bit extra, done. Plug it back in. And lock the connector. You can test it out at this point if you'd like. Let's get this harness reattached up here, here, and here. Take the glove box, slide it back into place. It's going to have hooks on the bottom. Those need to line up with the dash. Press it in and up. Test the functionality to make sure it's good. Put back any belongings you had, and there you go, job is done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.